Here's our full probe. 35,000 miles. Very, very nice condition, but the paint's gone funny all over. It's reacted in different ways from being left under a carport, and the heat has bleached it and damaged it in different ways. But this is before we do any bodywork or paintwork to it. There isn't really a lot of prep to do because there isn't really any damage on the car. There's one little ding dent there, and that's it. The rest of the panels are all nice and straight, as you can see. Something's been dripping on the back there and then been burnt in. I suspect that's probably tree sap or something like that. See on the back it's got the original Perry's sticker, original Perry's number plate, original Perry's rear screen sticker. Again, there's no dents or corrosion of any kind on it anywhere, so there's not a great deal to do other than just remedy the paintwork. It's got the original handbooks with it. It's got the original cassette that came with the car new that tells you how to operate the car. There you can see 35,000 miles. Right, so next stage update on the full probe. We've ended up having to, as you typically do, take it to the next level. The body shop have said that they would like the glass out of it, so we've had the windscreen guys in, took the rest of the glass out of the vehicle, and it's now ready to be panel prepped and primered and everything when it gets over there. Managed to maintain all the original glass.